Hi kids, let's learn our ABCs with fun words and sounds. Are you ready? Let's go. A for apple. Oh, apple. Can you say it? Apple. B for ball. B, ball. Bounce the ball. B, ball. C for cat. C, cat. Meow, meow. C, cat. D for dog. D, dog. Woof, woof. D, dog. E for earth. E, earth. Our home. E, earth. F for frog. F, frog. Ribbit, F, frog. G for girl. G, girl. Hello girl. G, girl. H for heart. G, heart. Love, G, heart. I for ice cream. Ice cream. Yummy. Ice cream. J for juice. J, juice. Slurp, J, juice. K for key. K, key. Open the door. K, key. L for leaf. L, leaf. Green and fresh. L, leaf. M for mouse. M, mouse. Squeak, M, mouse. N for notebook. N, notebook. Write it down. N, notebook. O for onion. O, onion. Tear, O, onion. P for pig. P, pig. Oink, P, pig. Q for queen. Q, queen. Your Majesty. Q, queen. E for ring. D, ring. Shiny, E, ring. S for sun. S, sun. Bright and warm. S, sun. E for tree. Tree. Tall and green. T, tree. U for umbrella. Umbrella. Rainy days. Umbrella. For violin. V, violin. O, V, violin. For watermelon. Watermelon. Sweet and juicy. Watermelon. X for xylophone. X, xylophone. Ting, X, xylophone. For yoga. Yoga. Stretch. Yoga. Z for zebra. Z, zebra. Black and white. Yay, you did it. You learned your ABCs and they're